Wondering about archiving Reels on Instagram? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to archive Reels on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the icon at the bottom right. Open the reel that you want to archive. Tap on the three dots at the top right of the Reels. Then simply tap on Archive at the top. You can simply unarchive it whenever you want. If you want to know where to find the archived post or Reels on Instagram, make sure to check our video on that topic. And that is how to archive Reels on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.